Hey Tony, Tom Havitler here. Just wanted to send you and Joy and everyone there at Upscale Foods a quick thank you video for your purchase on these two new DynaClean systems we've been working on for you. Just wanted to go over just a couple of things to point out on both of these systems, and then once I'm done, I'm going to hand it over to our engineering department, Justin Karras, one of our product engineers, that's going to kind of go through a quick startup on the control and some other things on the system to help you get it started and put in place. Really, as it comes in, it's going to ship rolled in. You're going to be able to roll these into place. We ship these actually bottomed out on the stems here, on these adjustable stems for shipping purposes. But when you do receive the systems, what you're going to want to do is get these casters so that they're at your optimal height, your desired height. Once that's done, there's really nothing more to do with the system other than plug the system in, plug the air in, and then get your startup going with your metal detector. So our engineering department is going to go over that for you. So, but really, just to go over some key points here, here's your feeding conveyor. This conveyor here, if you remember, we had to add some weight to the back of it. You'll see that there's some added weight so that it does counterbalance that weight. The motor is so cantilevered out in the front that we wanted to make sure that it was stable so that it never tipped. You can roll this system anywhere you want to roll it without the possibility of it falling over or anything like that. So you'll see that. You'll see that you have your internal drum drive here, drum motor I should say, here on the front, along with your control on the back side of that, feeding into your metal detector conveyor. On your metal detector conveyor, you're also going to obviously see the metal detector, but there's another control that'll actually control the speed of your metal detecting conveyor. You're also going to have a separate control on your feeding conveyor that will help you dial in on the speed of that as well. And then of course at the end here, your reject chute. If it does, in the event that it does detect metal, the chute will come up and reject that bad part off of the conveyor. And that's pretty much it. So again, thank you very much for your purchase on the system. And now I'm going to hand it off to our engineering department.
Hello, I'm Justin Karras, product development engineer here at DynamicVer, and I'm going to walk you through the quick setup guide for an Erie's metal detector on a DynaClean conveyor. First thing we're going to do is go to product setup, and we're going to put in a new product. For this video, we're going to just call it test. It's going to ask us the frequency. Our default today is going to be low. And the speed, again, our default today is 60 feet per minute. Your application may be different, so consult your particular specs. You continue. Next, it's going to do the auto boundary setup. What that's going to do is it's going to read the signature of this product through that metal detector and set up a boundary around it. What we're going to do is we're going to hit play, place the product right here. After the product runs through, we'll stop it. Now what the metal detector is going to do is it's going to give us its default boundary around that product signature. Over here we can adjust the sensitivity depending on what your application is, how sensitive or not sensitive you may need to be for your particular product. By hitting the plus and minus. Today we'll run right around the standard right there. We'll run whatever they recommended. We're going to accept that. Now I'm going to walk you through the reject portion of this conveyor. I'm going to set a sample piece of metal, which is embedded in this here piece of plastic. It's a 1.5 millimeter piece of ferrous metal. I'm going to set that on top of the product and run it through the metal detector, and we'll take a look at the rejection side of this project. When the system detects the contaminant, the reject chute will come up, catch the contaminated product, deliver it to the containment chute, and that's how this system works. Thank you for choosing DynamicVer. Have a great day.